channel ShinewithShanu. So today's video is all about my June favorites. So last month I really enjoyed few items and I thought why not share it with you guys. So this video is all about my favorites which I tried throughout the month of June, and also these favorites are from beauty, home, hair care and all of that. So if you guys want to know everything about it, just keep watching. So we are starting off with the skincare first. I really enjoyed using this sleeping mask. This is a green tea sleeping mask by Innisfree. This has made my skin so hydrated. Like, I used to feel that my skin is getting dehydrated and dry, but this has actually helped me to retain all the moisture. I just use this at night. I really love the fact that this is quite natural and it's paraben free. It has become my nighttime ritual to apply this every single night, and I really enjoy it. Next beauty product that I really loved is this Zara Sugar Rose perfume. Initially I didn't really like it because it has this fruity smell and I really hated it, but just because my brother gifted me this, I was using it. But after some days when I was applying it every single day, I really felt that there's this really good fragrance which is not fruity at all. It seems to be fruity, but it has got this floral notes too, which I really loved it. So currently I'm really enjoying using this. So another favorite from my skincare is this Barton Body Works body cream. This is their Ultra Sheer 24-hour moisture. So this is a very thick cream and it's almost over. I really enjoyed using this because my hands and my legs are really dry. Also I shave my hands and legs, so obviously it becomes more dry. So I really need some thick moisturizer, and this is the one. I really loved it, and also I love the smell. So moving on to hair care. So I accidentally discovered this. So this mixture of two oils made my hair really soft, and also I got rid of any kind of itchiness that I had in my scalp. So this is the argan oil which I got from my trip to Morocco, and this is the Kama Ayurveda neem oil. I mixed both of these in equal quantities and it was like something like a miraculous oil mixture, because next morning when I washed my hair, I really felt that the scalp is much more cleaner, and also the hair was really less frizzier. So if you have got Moroccan oil at home, you can try mixing it with neem oil and see if it works out for you. It definitely worked out for me. So moving on to healthcare, I really enjoy drinking this. This is Yakult Light. So Yakult is basically a probiotic drink. I really wanted something for my gut health, and this worked out really well. And earlier I used to drink the normal Yakult which had loads of sugar, but I found this one, and this has lesser sugar, which is Yakult Light, and it has got stevia in it. I just drink this with my breakfast every single day, and this is the best probiotic drink available in India, at least for me. So moving on to something that I really enjoyed having in my kitchen. So it is basically from the home section. Actually I am a cleanliness freak and I always want my kitchen and my house to be clean, and that's the reason I have to use a lot of cleaners. But recently I just came to know that how harmful cleaners are. They have got a large amount of chemicals and it's not good for health. So I am searching for something that is herbal and much on a natural side. That's when I found this. This is cleaning spray. It is by Strategy, and this is basically for everything. If you have got flies around your house, or if you have got insects, or if you want to clean the mirrors, the sink area, or if you want to clean the slabs, you can easily use this. So basically it is a multi-purpose cleaner. If you are really somebody who is much more into herbal stuff, then you should definitely try this. And this is, I think, the best cleaner which I have ever come across. Also when it comes to cooking, I make sure that I cook the sabji all by myself. So for that I use oil which is olive oil and mustard oil, and both of these oils that I tried this month is the best oil available in the market. Both of these oils are from the same company. It's Pure and Sure by Phalada. I've already mentioned in few of my videos how I love their coconut oil, and this is my next favorite. It is mustard oil and olive oil from their brand. So the best thing about these oils are it is cold pressed, so basically it has all the nutritional value in it, and also it is much more better and safer compared to to the refined oils that is available in the market. So when it comes to water, I really make sure that I stay hydrated throughout the day, and sometimes I forget refilling my 1 liter bottle. So I got myself this 2 liter huge Tupperware bottle. I got this in a red color too. I really love these kind of bottles. It's really sturdy and it is very huge. So you don't really have to worry about refilling it all the time. Another bottle that I really love is this one. This is a clay bottle. These are highly inexpensive. It's available everywhere. My mom got this from Jagu Bazaar, that is in Kolkata. What I really love about clay bottles is you can easily have that cold water. I am not really fond of water from fridge, so basically in order to cool it down, I prefer these kind of options. So my next favorite is this. I really love this, and this has my name on it, and I really loved it so much. So Happy Hippie, which is an Instagram page, and also they have got their Facebook page, sent me this, and ever since they sent me this, I fell in love with this actually. They were also kind enough to send me this hamper. This hamper has everything that is handmade. So they have got this scrub, soap, body scrub, and a lot more. I am going to mention all the details in the description box, their phone number and everything, and you can check out their page. They have got amazing range of baby accessories and also these kind of pillows. So the book which I really enjoyed reading throughout the month of June is this. It is Thus Spoke Chanakya by Radhakrishnan Pillai. So this book is basically how you can get success. It can be your career, it can be your marriage, but according to how Chanakya would think about it, like how he would tackle that situation. Now let's talk about my favorite movie. I really enjoyed watching Parmanu, which is a very good movie. If you haven't watched it yet, do watch it. Talking about my favorite Netflix series, I enjoyed a lot of series throughout the month, but what I really loved was 13 Reasons Why season 2. So I already had watched the first season and I really enjoyed it, and surprisingly this season wasn't that slow. It was really fast and I really enjoyed all the suspense and everything. So I highly recommend it. So talking about my favorite app currently, it is again related to daily hydration. So sometimes if you forget drinking water, you can easily use this app, which is called Plant Nanny. This is a very entertaining app. All you need to do is whenever you drink water, you need to pour some water in the plant, which is like virtually, obviously. I really loved using this app. This can be used sometimes when you forget drinking water. So it is like a reminder. You always get a notification that your plant is dying, you need to water it, and it just it's really entertaining, and at the same time it's good for your health, so why not? So yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you really like these kind of videos, then do comment down below and let me know. I will surely make favorites video in the future. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye for now.